Hey everybody, it's your girl, Four Wheel Fitness, and I am here with another amazing full body workout you can do to really get a good cardio, a good leg workout on your skates and arm workout. So what we're going to do today is called switch kicks. Now, because we have 5-pound weights on our feet, we are going to be doing a more modified version of switch kicks, but we are still going to be doing them nonetheless. So what you're going to be doing is put your palms on the ground facing forward. You are going to get on all 8, lift yourself up off of the ground. You are going to tuck in your booty and pull it up, and you're going to suck your core in, hold it tight, and what you're going to be doing is you're going to be rotating, lifting your legs in the air and flexing your toes at the same time. So you're going to lift those skates up, flex your toes, and start slow. Remember, you have 5-pound weights on your legs. You also want to focus on your core, making sure that you're bridged up. You can feel it in your triceps. You have your core sucked in tight and your booty pulled up, and you are literally kicking up one flexed skate at a time. Now, you can do it as slow or as fast as you can. The whole point is the form. So making sure that you're staying bridged up and that your form is on point. It doesn't really matter how fast you're going if your form, your core, and everything is not where it needs to be. So again, you should feel this move in your triceps, you should feel it in your core, in your booty, in your legs, and in your ankles. So full body workout. And there you go, guys. So remember, you can also do switch kicks fast or slow and controlled. And there you go, guys. Keep rolling. Have fun out there. I'll see you guys later.
Work my body, work my body, work my body, work my body, work my body.